If that sounds weird, I apologize. So this is like I said, the vacuum of Milwaukee. I already did a review on it. I'm gonna do a review on this DeWalt sander. All right, here we go.
Okay, so I am going to talk over this next clip. For some reason, our audio shut off and you can't hear anything. So, this sander, I would say, is worth it because, for one thing, you don't have to carry around a cord everywhere and trip over it and get tangled up. You can just pick it up, sand a room, move on to the next room without any hassle. And as you can see here, it does take most of the high spots off with one or two hits, but of course with heavier texture and more aggressive high spots, you would have to go over it a couple times, but it sure beats getting up on your ladder and or getting up on your stilts and hand sanding it down. Saves you energy, saves you time. I highly recommend it if you do drywall for a living or you're on a project where you need to cut your sanding time in half. But I would say, even with the dust extraction going on with the vacuum, you can still see quite a bit of dust. And I mean, every drywall project is going to be messy, but I wish they would have come up with a better solution for that because that's the most annoying part is all the dust. And it works pretty well with the sanding pads it does come with. I will say that you will have to change them out pretty frequently if you want a good sand because they get blocked up pretty quickly. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions regarding that sander, and we could answer them in the comments. Also, I forgot to mention the price. It's about $480 plus some tax. And the only other complaint I would have is it's a little bit loud, but if you're used to that, then you'll be fine.
Like I said, this sander is good. I mean, every sander is gonna leave some dust behind no matter what. I mean, I have a Milwaukee vacuum, it's pretty expensive. Like I said before, I wish it had a cord I could connect to power, but it's just a battery power vacuum. I wish it had both, two options. But this sander is pretty, it's I like it. People say it's heavy. I don't think it is. And it's pretty cool because you have all your settings right here, and you can extend the sander by doing that. Power on right here, and it locks when you turn it on. And this vacuum, it's the Milwaukee one. I did a video on it on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to see it, just go to my YouTube channel and I explain about it. I forgot to explain it in my video though. You could go high and low to suck in more air, but like I said before, the Milwaukee batteries, they die so fast. But anyways, you guys, on this job, I'm gonna skim the ceilings. I have to fix these cracks. There's a lot of cracks in this room, in the hallway, in the other room, and these customers are more older people, so I try to be quiet as much as possible because they sleep a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna get going. This right here is handy, you guys. I love it. It's a skim knife. You can skim walls and everything. It's pretty cool. I hate these bubbles. They're so annoying. Hate it. Can't really do much about it. crack right here. So I'm just digging in just for, I won't forget. This room right here is really tight and it's really hard to work. Super tight. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's a smaller room. I'm gonna go get some more mud just in case. I know you guys probably hear me breathing hard and talking weird just because I have a face mask on. Behind it makes everything harder too because you can't breathe that good. But I wear it just in case because this house is an older house, so I mean that does. You don't want to breathe that crap in. That crap is dangerous. All right. I like to do sections. It's easier for me. Less messy too. The drywall finish work is very messy. Super messy. And this leftovers here, that wasn't for me. That was from somebody else. I use it to clean my area. Like right here, I just put so much. And just to let you guys know, this whole wall is gonna be skimmed, so don't judge the leftovers. And plus I have to fix all the cracks. So don't judge. Oops. We all oops here. Like Dr. Drywall says. I wonder what happened with that guy. I got quit doing videos or what? I mean, sick of been posting videos lately. Distance, where my shoulder is holding this. That'd be nice. Somebody, if somebody can make something like, it can make you like something that connects to your shoulder and it can hold your mud pan or something. I don't know, because holding this, wow, hurts your shoulder so bad. It burns. But can't complain. Everything in life hurts, I guess. Okay. Try and get away from this vat, so I'm trying to mud around it as far as I can. What's going on here? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna shut this off for now. I just want to show you guys what I do. I mean, for a living, I own my own business. I do drywall. I do mostly everything, like I said, except electrical and plumbing. I mean, if you guys are interested in this, I can continue doing it, you know, and, you know, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm new. If you guys like it, subscribe, like, and leave comments.